Good morning and welcome to the education channel. We will discuss today rest of the portions of lecture 1 of current affairs, right? So the question of the day of today, what is the question of the day? Who launched the official songs of ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? Bring it home. What is the official song? Bring it home. I am again repeating the question. Who launched the official song of ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? The name of the song is Bring It Home. Your options is Shreya Ghoshal, Alka Yagnik, Jubain Nautiyal and Mika Singh. Right? You have the 4 options and you have to chat the correct answer in between during the class. Right? So now we are starting. Question number 1. Question number 29, it means question number 28. We have already completed 1 to 28. So we are starting today from question number 29. What is the question? In which of the following states was the Asian Cadet Cup 2025 inaugurated? What is the correct answer? Your option is Bihar, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and then Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Asian Cadet Cup 2025, Uttarakhand. The tournament was organized by the Fencing Association of India. The tournament was organized by the Fencing Association of India at the Manaskand Hall, where it is situated in Uttarakhand. Where it is in Uttarakhand. Manaskand Hall of the Indira Gandhi International Sports Stadium. This is the first international fencing competition held in India. That's why it is important, because it is the first international fencing competition held in India, and where it is in Uttarakhand, right? Note, establishment of the state's first sports university and women's sports college in Haldwani. This question is very important for state pieces of Uttarakhand, like UPPSC. Now coming to the next question, question number 30. Who was appointed the 46th Chief Justice of Patna High Court? Important for BPSC and other Bihar related exams. Who was appointed the 46th Chief Justice of Patna High Court? Right? What is the option? Alok Arade, Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, B.R. Gavai and Pawan Kumar Banjatri. What is the correct answer? Pawan Kumar Banjatri. 46th Chief Justice of Patna High Court. The details related to this question. Justice Pawan Kumar Banjatri was appointed by Bihar Governor. Who is the Bihar Governor? Bihar Governor Arif Muhammad Khan, the Governor of Bihar right now, at present. So the Justice Pawan Kumar Banjatri was appointed by the Governor of Bihar, Arif Muhammad Khan. There are a total of 25 high courts right now. 25 high courts in India. And which one is the latest high court? Which one is the latest high court? Latest high court is Amravati High Court. Amravati High Court is the latest high court, means 25th high court. Where it is? Amravati High Court in Andhra Pradesh. And the division of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana was held in 2014. Right? So the latest high courts, Amravati is the latest high court and the number is 25th. So right now there are total 25 high courts in India. Correct? Now question number 31. Question number 31 is the same. This is the question of the day of today's lecture. Who launched the official song of ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? And name is Bring It Home. What is the name? Bring It Home. The correct answer is Shreya Ghoshal. Other options is Alka Yagnik, Jubain Nautiyal and Mika Singh. Your correct answer is Shreya Ghoshal is the correct answer. Right? Question number 32. Who was chosen as the focus country in the World Food India? Who was chosen as the focus country in the World Food India, which started on 25th September 2025. So your correct answer will be, option is your Russia and UAE, Japan and Vietnam. The correct answer is all of the above. All of the above is correct answer. Means Russia and UAE, Japan and Vietnam, all are the focus country. Okay? Focus country of the World Food India. Venu Bharat Mandapam. Where it is? Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. What was the duration? 25th to 28th September 2025. Inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And what was the theme? Sustainability, innovation and inclusivity. Organized by Ministry of Food Processing Industry, partner countries New Zealand, Saudi Arabia. And the focus country we have already given in the question. Which one is the focus country? And what is the objective? Its objective is to establish India, okay, as a food focus. Right? Famous for food in the world. Who recently won the 69th Ballon d'Or title 2025? Who recently won the 69th Ballon d'Or title 2025? Right? What is the correct options? Osman Dembele, Aitana Bonmati, both Lamine Yamal. Your correct answer is Osman Dembele and Aitana Bonmati. Both are the correct option. Right? Both are the correct option. Correct answer. 69th Ballon d'Or title 2025, men's Ballon d'Or, Osmana Dembele, and women's Ballon d'Or, Aitana Bonmati. Rest of the, there are so many prizes has been given to so many things, so many personality. Everything you have to learn. Next question is, when is World Space Week celebrated? World Space Week. Yeah? World Space Week celebrated. Right? 4 to 10 October. 4 to 10 October 2025. World Space Week celebrated. Right? It is celebrated to celebrate science and technology and their contributions towards the betterment of human conditions. Right? And when it was declaration December 6, 1999 by UNGA. UNGA means United Nations General Assembly. UNGA means United Nations General Assembly. And what was the theme of the International Space Week? What was the theme? The theme is living in a space. The theme is living in a space, right? Where did the 11th World Green Economy Summit start recently? Where did the 11th World Green Economy Summit start recently? What is the correct answer? Your option is Los Angeles, USA, New Delhi in India, Kathmandu, Nepal, and Dubai in UAE. But R means right answer. So your correct answer is Dubai. Dubai is UAE. I think Dubai is the capital of UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates, right? The 11th World Green Economy Summit began in Dubai, UAE, and there are 3,300 participants, and the theme is innovating for impact, accelerating the future of green economy. Accelerating the future of the green economy. Question number 36. According to recent information, who became the first person in the world to have assets worth $500 billion? Right? Means the richest person of the world. The option is Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault, Jeff Bezos, and Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is from India. So correct answer is Elon Musk. The name of the company is Tesla, SpaceX. Right? These are the company under Elon Musk. So the correct answer is Elon Musk. Elon Musk has become the first person in the world to have net worth $500 billion. And the second position has come to Larry Ellison. Right? And who has published this report? The report has been published by Forbes Real Time Billionaires Tracker. This increase in Musk's wealth is mainly linked to the performance of his business Tesla. Right? Tesla. Question number 37. Which country was awarded the International Social Security Award, ISSA? Important. This is the very important questions. Which country was awarded the International Social Security Award, ISSA 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security? It means social security has been increased. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is India. Your option is China, America, India, UAE. Correct answer is India in social security. When October 3, 2025, India has become the 5th country to receive this award. Right? United Labour and Employment Minister Mansukh Mandavia received the award. This award highlights India's rapid expansion of digital public infrastructure and social security coverage. the ISSF award of outstanding achievement in social security is presented. And according to the ILO means International Labour Organization, database of the International Labour Organization, ILO, social security coverage in India is projected to increase how much? From 19% in 2015 to 64.3% in 2025. 19% 2015 to 64.3% in 2025. So this is the increasing. Due to this increasement, India has got this award, ISS award, right? Question number 38. Which medal did Mirabai Chanu win in the recently held World Weightlifting Championship 2025? The name of the player is Mirabai Chanu, and which award? Okay, recently held World Weightlifting Championship 2025. Your option is gold, silver, bronze, and no one. The correct answer is silver. Correct answer is silver. Mirabai Chanu won silver medal at the World Weightlifting Championships 2025. See, this is the World Weightlifting Championship. This was Chanu's first World Championship since 2022 and the second since the Paris 2024 Olympics. Right? World Weightlifting Championship 2025 where held in Norway from 2 to 11 October 2025. Question number 39. Who was appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Union Bank of India in October 2025? Many times such type of questions come asked. Your correct answer is Ashish Pandey. No need to know more about this, but at least the MD and CEO, you have to learn about this of the bank or anything. Ashish Pandey. Who was recently awarded the Tamil Nadu Scientist Award 2022 Environmental Science. This question is relevant because of the environmental questions, right? What is the correct answer? Your correct answer will be option is Dr. Manoj V. Jain, Dr. R. Arthur James, and Aditya Agrawal and Anuradha Bose. The correct answer is B. Dr. R. Arthur James is related from environmental science, and this award has been given by Tamil Nadu government. That person. The award consists of a cash prize of 50,000 rupees and a citation. SANSA awards are given every year by the Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. Right? So this was the total questions, rest of the questions of the lecture 1, and now we will discuss about lecture 2, right, for the previous week. Thank you so much for class.